Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install your Prafia Pro label printer on a Windows device and how to print your labels in the correct size. Let's begin with the driver installation. Go to the printer setup page and select your printer model. In this case, the Prafia Pro. Click to download the Windows driver. Once the file has downloaded, double-click the installer and follow the steps on screen to complete the installation. After installation, open your system settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Printers and Scanners. Here you'll see the Prafia Pro listed as Label Printer. Click on it to access the printer settings. Next, we'll set up the paper type and label size. Click on Printing Preferences. Under the Layout tab, click on Advanced. Choose your label size from the list. Most shipping labels are 4 by 6 inches. That's 100 by 150 millimeters. Click OK to save. Then go to the Page Setup tab. Here you can choose a label size under Paper Name. If your size isn't listed, click New to create a custom label. Before you enter the size, make sure to check the unit setting in the Option tab. You can choose between inches and millimeters. Click Apply to save your settings. Click New. Enter the width and height, and make sure all margins are set to 0. Click OK to save your custom label. Click Apply to save all your changes. On this same page, you can also choose the type of label you're using: gaps, continuous, or marks, and optionally, round label if needed. Next, let's optimize the print quality. To adjust the print speed and darkness, go to the Option tab. Here, you can control the print speed and print density. A higher darkness value makes your labels bolder. But be careful. Too much can cause barcodes to become unreadable. Try lowering the darkness for sharper barcode clarity. Print speed also matters. A higher speed is great for fast bulk printing, but it may reduce sharpness slightly. If you're printing barcodes or detailed labels, try a lower speed for better precision. When loading a new type or size thermal labels, it's important to run automatic label identification. You can do this in 2 ways. 1. Press and hold the top circle button on the printer until the blue light blinks a second time. 2. Or from the software, click Adjust the sensor, then click Study Gap Label. If the blue light keeps blinking, the learning failed. In that case, repeat the 2 steps again. In this tab, you can also change the size units between inches and millimeters depending on your label specs. If your prints are slightly off-center or cut off, you can adjust the margins using the adjustment settings. Once you're done adjusting, click Apply to save your settings. Now you're ready to print. To print a label, just open your file. Click the printer icon, select Label Printer. Make sure to select the correct label size in the print window. This ensures your label prints with the right dimensions. Make sure everything looks good, then click Print. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to install and set up your Prafia Pro label printer on Windows. If you have any questions or need help, just head over to prafia.com and click on Support. There you'll find help articles, manuals, and the option to submit a ticket. We're happy to assist.